Wishing you all a very happy Krishna Jayanti. To celebrate this Krishna Jayanti, we have put together 7 videos of ours, out of which 4 are savory varieties and 3 sweet varieties. The first one is the rice flour murukku or the Iyengar, as it is called commonly, is available in the I button here. The second one is famous in Iyengar homes, which is called as the Manangombu or the Iyengar style Iyengar, which is available in the I button here. The third one is the salt Seedai, which is very common for Krishna Jayanti. This is also available in the I button here. The fourth one is the Rava Seedai, which is also common for Krishna Jayanti. This is also available in the I button here. The fifth one is the sweet aval or the sweet poha made out of avalaki and jaggery, this is also available in the I button here. The sixth one is the besan halwa, which is a very tasty dish, and this is also available in the I button here. The seventh one is the moong dal halwa, which is also equally tasty dish, and this is also available in the I button here. I hope you all will try these dishes and enjoy. Wish you all a very happy Krishna Jayanti. Thank you.